The HK-21 is a German 7.62 mm general-purpose machine gun, developed in 1961 by small arms manufacturer Heckler & Koch and based on the G3 battle rifle. The weapon is in use with the armed forces of several Asian, African, and Latin American countries. It was also license manufactured by Fábrica de Braco de Prata in Portugal as the M/968 and in Mexico by Sedena as the MG-21. In the German military, Bundeswehr, and the Federal Police, Bundespolizei, it is designated G8. Design details. Operating mechanism. The HK-21 is a selective fire roller delayed blowback operated firearm with a semi-rigid locking mechanism designed to retard the rearward movement of the bolt. This delay was achieved by artificially increasing the inertia of the bolt by using an angular, interposed transmission system, installed symmetrically to the bore axis, with two cylindrical rollers acting as transmission elements against a movable locking piece which drives the heavy bolt carrier. The two-piece bolt assembly consists of a bolt head, which contains the aforementioned rollers, and a supporting locking piece and bolt carrier. During the unlocking sequence, the bolt head receives the recoil impulse from the ignited cartridge and exerts rearward pressure against the rollers, seated in recesses in the barrel extension. The rollers are driven inward against angled ramps of the barrel extension and interact with the wedge-shaped locking piece, projecting it backwards. Thus a 4:1 transmission ratio is maintained, as long as the rollers move on the inclined surfaces of the barrel extension and locking piece, of the bolt carrier and locking piece relative to the bolt head. The bolt carrier travels backwards 4 times faster than the bolt head, ensuring a safe drop of pressure within the barrel prior to extraction. Since extraction is carried out under relatively high pressure, the barrel's chamber received a series of flutes designed to help free the bloated cartridge casing from the chamber walls. Features. The HK-21 uses a modified G3 receiver that has been extended to the front sight base and is equipped with a detachable bipod, mounted either in front of the feed mechanism or at the muzzle, and tripod and vehicle mounting points. The HK-21 has close to a 48% parts interchangeability with the G3. The bolt features a spring-powered extractor and an anti-bounce device that prevents the bolt head from glancing off the barrel extension upon forward return of the locking assembly. The lever-type ejector system is contained in the trigger group housing and is actuated with every shot by the recoiling bolt. The weapon has a hammer striker and is fired from the for a general-purpose machine gun rear closed bolt position. Firing from a closed bolt contributes to accurate fire, but is disadvantageous for heat dissipation. The trigger group, which is integrated with the pistol grip and hinged from the receiver, is equipped with a fire control selector switch, selector lever in the E or 1 position semi-automatic fire, F or 20 continuous fire mode, that doubles as a manual safety. Rotating the lever into the S or 0 setting disables the trigger. Weapon is considered safe. The HK-21 has a free-floating, heavy, quick-change barrel fitted with a slotted flash suppressor. The firearm is equipped with an iron sight line that consists of a rotary rear drum and hooded front post. The rear aperture sight is mechanically adjustable for both windage and elevation from 101,200 meters, 1091,312 yd, in 100 meters, 109 yd, increments for 7.62 x 51 mm NATO models or 101,000 meters, 1091,094 yd, in 100 meters, 109 yd, increments for 5.56 x 45 mm NATO models. By simply swapping out several components such as the barrel, bolt, and feed plate unit, the weapon can be quickly converted to the intermediate 7.62 x 39 mm and 5.56 x 45 mm NATO chamberings. Feeding. The machine gun feeds from the left-hand side through a variety of disintegrating metallic link ammunition belt types, the American M13 linked belt, the German DM6 counterpart to the M13 or the German non-disintegrating metallic link DM1 belt. The ratcheting wheel feed unit was designed as an easily removable module that is inserted into the bottom portion of the feed block, installed in place of the standard magazine well, below the barrel axis. As a result of this configuration, the bolt passes over the belt, the ammunition belt is aligned upside down compared to most other belt-fed weapons, that is, the links face downward. The feed mechanism is actuated by the reciprocating movement of the bolt. A curved chem slot on the bottom of the bolt engages an actuator in the feed mechanism, rotating the double sprockets and positioning a new round in the feed path. Simple conversion from belt to magazine feed is possible by installing an adapter in the feed block which enables the use of H&K's proprietary 20-round box magazine, from the G3 rifle, or a 50-round drum magazine. Variants: G8 and G8A1. The German Army, German Navy, and the Federal Police use a variant of the HK-11 designated the GUR-8, or G8. It is tapped for telescopic sights and has a quick-change barrel with a bipod that uses either a heavy match-grade bull barrel or a heavy barrel for automatic fire. It was designed to use G3 Type 10 or 20-round box magazines in the designated marksman role, but could also use a special 50-round drum magazine for sustained supporting or suppressing fire. The modified G8A1 adopted the improvements of the HK-11A1 series and was only able to feed from magazines and drums. GR series. The GR series were sanitized, i.e., having no serial numbers or identifying marks, Heckler & Koch weapons used by Special Operations Forces. They differed from the stock weapons in that they had optical sights, no provisions for iron sights, and came standard in woodland, C suffix, or desert, S suffix, camouflage. GR6 automatic rifle, HK-13. GR9 light machine gun, HK-23. HK-21A1. In the early 1970s the HK-21's design was simplified and the feed mechanism was modified. The machine gun's weight was increased, a carrying handle and a hooked buttstock with improved buffer mechanism were also added. The barrels were internally revised to polygonal rifling. Since then, the HK-21 was offered in two main variants, the HK-21A1 general-purpose machine gun, with a different belt feed mechanism, and the HK-11A1 automatic rifle, optimized for magazine feed only. The HK-11A1 proved more successful in export sales and was adopted by the Hellenic Army and several African and Asian armies. Both weapons, as in the original HK-21, can be converted to chamber the 5.56 x 45 mm NATO round by replacing the appropriate components. HK-21E. During the 1980s both the HK-21A1 and HK-11A1 were modernized based on user and testing feedback, resulting in a new modular family of machine guns that share the same receiver, trigger group, and interchangeable barrels and feed units, consisting of HK-11E automatic rifle, magazine fed, chambered in 7.62 x 51 mm NATO. HK-13E automatic rifle, magazine fed, chambered in 5.56 x 45 mm NATO. HK-21E general purpose machine gun, belt fed, 7.62 x 51 mm NATO, which is also license built in Mexico for the armed forces. HK-23E light machine gun, belt fed, 5.56 x 45 mm NATO. The E simply stands for export model. They use Stanag rather than HK proprietary magazines and come with different optics than German military models. The E model is a thoroughly revised variant aimed to improve the reliability, efficiency, and service life of the weapon. For this the length of the receiver was increased by 25 mm, 1.0 in, to provide additional recoil length for the bolt group. The recoil reduction improved accuracy of fire. Reinforcing bars were added to the receiver to provide additional strength and a guaranteed 60,000 rounds minimum service life. The bolt head, extractor, and locking roller holder were completely redesigned as were the bolt carrier and recoil spring assembly, belt feed unit, buffer, barrel, and trigger group. The redesigned belt feed mechanism transports the ammunition belt in two steps, reducing stress on the feed and ammunition belt. Compared to the older HK-21A1 and HK-11A1, the modernized export weapons also feature a longer barrel shroud, extended by 94 mm, 3.7 in, towards the front, which also resulted in a longer sight radius. The barrel trunnion was modified. The HK-21E also received a longer barrel, a burst fire mode was incorporated into the trigger group as the fourth selector setting, 3-round burst, a polymer barrel handle was added, space for a cleaning kit was added in the grip, the rear sight was modified with an adjustable drum, a bipod with a 3-position height adjustment and 30-degree tilt mechanisms replaced the simple folding bipod. The feed mechanism was modified to provide continuous feeding, by moving the belt in 2 stages, during both forward and rear movement of the bolt. A forward assist for silent loading was provided and the machine guns were adapted to use NATO standard optical sight mounts. When employed in the light machine gun, infantry assault, role, the HK-21E stores its ammunition belt in a 100-round sheet metal container, fastened to the bottom of the feed mechanism, as in the HK-21A1. The ability to use G3 or Stanag, for HK-23E, box or drum magazines is available with an optional feed module kit that consists of the bolt, recoil spring, and belt feed module or magazine well. When employed in the belt-fed medium machine gun, fire support, role, the HK-21E provides a cook-off rate in excess of 1,000 rounds fired in quick succession. The shock-absorbing tripod weighs 10.5 kilograms, 23.1 pounds. HK-25. A heavy machine gun variant of the HK-21 chambered in .50 BMG/12.7 x 99 mm NATO was proposed but never went into production. HK-51B. An aftermarket conversion of an HK-21 general-purpose machine gun into a belt-fed short carbine created by gunsmiths F. J. Vollmer and Company Inc. The barrel is 8.9 inches long, has an overall length of 21 inches, weighs about 11 pounds unloaded, and has a rate of fire of 950 to 1,000 rounds per minute. Fixed barrel models have a tropical MP5 style handguard with ventilation slots. Quick-change barrel models have a 4-position Picatinny rail handguard, usually used with a vertical foregrip. It feeds from a 100-round HK-21 belt box and uses either the American M13 or German DM6 disintegrating link belt. Vollmer only made 30 guns, 2 of which had quick-change barrels. Users: Argentina, Bangladesh, HK-11A1 and HK-21A1 variants. Bolivia, Brazil, used by the Batalhão Operações Policiais Especiais. Brunei, HK-21A1 variant. Cameroon, HK-21 variant. Cyprus, HK-11A1 variant. Denmark, used by Jaeger Corpset. Ecuador, El Salvador. Germany, Iran, used by the Iranian police. Greece, HK-11A1 variant. Made under license. Jordan, HK-21E variant. Kenya, HK-21A1 variant. Malaysia, HK-11A1 and HK-21E variants. Mauritius, HK-21E1 variant. Mexico, HK-21A1 variant. Morocco, HK-11A1 variant. Mexico, HK-21E variant. Made under license. Niger, HK-11 and HK-21 variants. Nigeria, HK-21 variant. Paraguay, Peru, Portugal, HK-21E variant. Made under license. Qatar, HK-21 variant. Senegal, HK-21 variant. Sri Lanka, HK-11 and HK-21 variants. South Africa, HK-21 variant used by 32nd Battalion during South African Border War. Sudan, HK-21 variant. Sweden, trials for Home Guard only. Thailand, Turkey, HK-23E variant is employed by the Turkish Gendarmerie. Uganda, United Arab Emirates, HK-23E variant. United States, HK-21 is used by the Navy SEALs in the Vietnam War and also used by the Delta Force in Operation Eagle Claw. Type: general purpose machine gun. Place of origin: West Germany. Service history: in service 1961 present. Used by sea users. Wars: Vietnam War, Lebanese Civil War, Portuguese Colonial War, South African Border War, Salvadoran Civil War. Operation Eagle Claw. Turkey PKK conflict. Production history. Designer Heckler & Koch. Designed 1961. Manufacturer Heckler & Koch. Fábrica de Braco de Prata. Sedena. Produced 1961 present. Variants. See variants. Specifications. Weight HK21, 7.92 kilograms, 17.46 pounds. HK21A1, 8.30 kilograms, 18.3 pounds. HK11A1, 7.70 kilograms, 17.0 pounds. HK21E, 9.30 kilograms, 20.5 pounds. HK11E, 8.15 kilograms, 18.0 pounds. HK23, 8.75 kilograms, 19.3 pounds. HK13, 8.00 kilograms, 17.64 pounds. HK25, 16.30 kilograms, 35.9 pounds. Length HK21, 1021 mm, 40.2 in. HK21A1, HK11A1, HK11E, HK23, HK13, 1030 mm, 40.6 in. HK21E, 1140 mm, 44.9 in. HK25, 1400 mm, 55.1 in. Barrel length HK21, HK21A1, HK11A1, HK11E, HK23, HK13, 450 mm, 17.7 in. HK21E, 560 mm, 22.0 in. HK25, 900 mm, 35.4 in. Cartridge HK21, HK21A1, HK11A1, HK21E, HK11E, 7.62 x 51 mm NATO. HK23, HK13, 5.56 x 45 mm NATO. HK25, 12.7 x 99 mm NATO. Action roller delayed blowback, closed bolt. Rate of fire HK21, HK21A1, 900 rounds/min. HK11A1, HK21E, HK11E, 800 rounds/min. HK23, HK13, 750 rounds/min. HK25, 450 rounds/min. Muzzle velocity HK21, HK21A1, HK11A1, HK11E, 800 m/s, 2625 feet/s. HK21E, 840 m/s, 2756 feet/s. HK23, HK13, 910 m/s, 2986 feet/s, using the SS109 cartridge. HK25, 915 m/s, 3002 feet/s. Effective firing range 101,200 m, 1091,312 yd, side adjustments. Feed system M13, DM6, DM1 ammunition belt, 20-round detachable box or 50-round drum magazine, from the G3. An 80-round drum magazine or even a 100-round drum magazine was also available, no longer manufactured. Sights rear rotary diopter drum, hooded front post.
Please subscribe and thanks for watching.